Lots of support. Hey y'all, I got sent over some steel-toed work boots. I got sent 2 of them. So one in the black and one in this tan color. They wanted me to try them out and to wear them around and give my opinion and thoughts about them. I'm going to get them opened up and try them on. Hopefully they are the right size. I ordered the right size, so we will see. We'll just set these to the side for a moment. These are waterproof, which makes it great. KELODON is the brand. KELODON. Reliable safety partner. Smell like real leather. Oh, got some padding around here. I can feel that already. Kind of got a cool little design. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. So on this side, that's pretty impressive. Steel toe up here. Let's try this thing on. Oh, it's kind of got some little bumps in the insole. That feels pretty good. They are soft. When I get back in and start to edit this, I'll write the specs on it. Just put them down here, what they're made out of, and the insole and everything. Oh, wow. That feels pretty good for a boot. A new one at that. So far, I'm impressed. Let's put the other one on. Do a little walking around here in them. Lots of support. You don't have to worry about the water. It just spreads right off of there. Like I said, they are waterproof. Now, I don't have much doubt that the black boots are going to fit just the same, but we're going to go ahead and try those on as well. These right here are pretty comfortable. They feel very durable too. Took a little picture of the inside there so you can see it for yourself. Feels pretty good. Just notice, look at that. It says shoes. Oh, work shoes. So if you walk through the dirt or mud or something, you'd leave a little imprint right there. They'd be knowing you're wearing work shoes. Actually, in this case, it's work boots. You know, as far as the feel and everything, they feel the same, but I actually kind of like the black ones better. Just a personal preference. What do you think? Can't go wrong with either one. Tell you what, if you're needing some good steel-toed work boots in the tan or the black, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can go to Amazon and read a little more on them if you'd like and place your order. And if you've gotten any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Kind of lets YouTube know that you enjoyed the video. And if you feel so inclined, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. I would appreciate it. So yeah. I don't know what else to say about them. They're comfortable. They feel like they're going to wear really good. They got that double stitching right there. Steel-toed. Good thick treads on the bottom. Nice support around your ankles and in the insole of the boot. Waterproof. I believe that pretty much sums it up. I am impressed. I'll give them a thumbs up. Well, we got to give them 2 thumbs up because we got 2 pairs. 2 thumbs up, y'all. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.